I'm gonna show you a duck breast technique that is gonna be done in minutes. Cutting through the collarbone so it's easier for me to remove the breast. Next, the legs come off. Easiest way to get this delicious duck breast meat is to work along the backbone. Slide your knife right over these ribs, ensuring you get every piece of meat. Look at that lean meat. There's no fat because it's all on here. Fat cap. Now I'm gonna score it to make sure that it browns evenly and renders its fat. I'm being careful not to cut too deep. I don't wanna cut the flesh, only scoring the fat. Brushing with soy sauce, gonna give us great color and flavor. Now, chefs waste nothing in the kitchen. All these bones and wings are going into stock, and the legs, I got something planned for that for later. I want shatteringly crispy skin. That's why I put the duck breast in a cold pan so I can cook it real nice and slow. Every great piece of meat needs a complementing sauce, and I'm a saucy guy. Traditional French sauce is duck breast and honey. I'm going Canadiana, maple syrup. With some garlic, some rosemary, a little bit of soy sauce. I'm gonna reduce that down to a glazed consistency. So excited about this sauce. Oh man, that is rendered perfectly. Golden brown, nice and crisp. The duck breast is still raw. I'm gonna raise the heat. I'm gonna finish roasting it in the pan. I'm getting rid of the excess oil in here to make sure that I get a good sear on these duck breasts. These duck breasts are cooked perfectly medium rare. I need to rest them. Don't those look nice?
Beautiful, chef.
Fantastic, fantastic. This sauce, exactly what I'm looking for. Look at that consistency, that glaze. I'm tasting every flavor. Fantastic. Now this is why I rest meat. Perfectly ruby, red, crispy skin, and best of all those juices are still in the meat, not in the board. That is life-changing duck. I taste all that soy sauce and garlic. Misha, you gotta get in here. This is amazing.
Oh, chef, that garlic is amazing.
You cannot get any better than that.
Oh, it's so crispy.